protection, firewall, antivirus, DNS, corrupted launcher files, VPN issues. Below are advanced working fixes. Number 1, check servers, most common right now. Where wins meet, servers go down often during updates. Search where wins meet server status on Twitter/official Discord. If servers are down, nothing on your side can fix it. Wait until they're back. Number 2, run the launcher as administrator. Right-click wherewindsmeetlauncher.exe, run as administrator. This fixes permission blocks that cause version check failures. Number 3, disable VPN, proxy, or acceleration tools. The game has region-locked servers. If you're using VPN, proxy, exit lag, no ping, warp, any acceleration software, turn them off and restart the launcher. Number 4, change your DNS. Works for 80% users. Servers sometimes fail to connect using default ISP DNS. Use Google DNS. 1, open control panel, network and internet, network adapter. 2, right-click Wi-Fi Ethernet properties. 3, select IPv4 properties. 4, choose. Use the following DNS, 8.8, 8.8, 8.4.4. 5, save, restart PC. Try launching again. Number 5, allow the game in Firewall 1. Search Windows Defender Firewall. 2, click Allow an app through Firewall. 3, add these if missing. Wherewindsmeet.exe, gamelauncher.exe. 4, allow for private plus public, then restart game. Number 6, delete update cache. Fixes corrupted launcher files. 1, close the game completely. 2, go to the installation folder. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3, delete folders, update cache, patch, temp. 4, restart the launcher. It will re-download clean update files. Number 7, reset hosts file, critical fix. If your Windows hosts file blocks the update server, this error appears. 1, run Notepad as administrator. 2, open file. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3, delete all lines except you can see the code in our conversation history. Bot 4, save, restart PC. Number 8, reinstall the launcher, not the whole game. Sometimes only the launcher is broken. 1, uninstall Where Winds Meet launcher. 2, download latest launcher. 3, install. 4, point it to your existing game folder so you don't re-download the game. Number 9, if you're in Pakistan, India, region block workaround. Some ISPs block connection routes to Chinese servers. Try only these VPN regions. These work best for this game. Singapore, Japan, Hong Kong, Germany. Then reopen launcher. Once version check passes, turn VPN off. Number 10, check time and date, surprising but works. Game fails authentication if system time is wrong. 1, right-click time, adjust. 2, turn on, set time automatically, set time zone automatically. 3, restart launcher. If nothing works,